We survived another day, so may laro kami ng Sunday. This is the closest we've been to the finals. So we look at it as a really positive development for us. At last, nakadalawang panalo kami sa semis. But of course, Coach Chot was not coaching, and he'll be coaching in the next game. And then, both teams were able to preserve their players for the next game. But yung third quarter, malaking bagay sa amin. I think it was really the defense that we were able to play, because first half, we found no way to contain si Calvin in the first half. Talagang the shooting niya, the offense niya. We were just waiting for him to get tired a little bit. Maybe that's the time we were able to break away in the third quarter. Also sustain our pace. We're able to sustain our pace. So we're happy that we're able to play at our pace and still be able to preserve the win convincingly. Marami silang kulang, madaming firepower ang wala sa kanila. They lost Pogoy. I don't know, maybe they're just buying time for Pogoy, so we expect him to play the next game. Then every time we play, we just compete. We just run what we do in practice, and if our game holds up, we win. Kung hindi naman, we're happy to accept the result as long as we give it our best.
Thank you, Coach. Now, 22.16 in the first quarter with this of your team. With how the teams in the semifinals turned out or played out as a team, and for you individually, would you say that this is like a bounce back statement game for yourself?
Not really. Siguro we can say that. Pero sa system naman kasi namin, sa system ni coaching, anyone can have a night like this. So yun din ang kagandahan ng team namin. Any given night, hindi mo alam kung sino yung magiging katabi ni coaching dito pag nanalo kami. So it just so happened that tonight, it was me. And next naman, next game namin, which is on Sunday, hindi naman din natin alam. Pero we're just trying to be aggressive. We're just trying to survive and compete.
Now, ready? Any questions?
Kasi parang hindi maganda yung shooting video. Ang ginawa niya sa early performance, the defense of TNT or Manas, ano mo na
Every night naman, di maganda yung shooting namin. I'm really not that happy still with our 3-point shooting. We get a lot of open looks. We're not making them at the percentage that we want to make them. Pero compensate namin with our running game, with our ball movement. We had 27 assists today. High scoring game. Any high scoring game, I think we will have the edge. If we can play fast, if they're allowing us to play at a fast rate, I think that's also an advantage for us. Pero yun din, kahit na high speed yung game namin, nasusustain namin because I think we have a longer rotation than they do. That is why I keep saying one win makes it a longer series. The longer the series, the better our chances. So, doon kami umaasa na manalo pa kami ng minsan, mag-game 7. At least ngayon may game 6. Sabi ko nga, we've never been this close. So, good sign to. Siyempre, ayaw namin sayangin din ang opportunity opportunity na to. May chance pa naman, mahirap nga lang, pero habang may chance, we'll take what we have.
What's mga injuries ko sa TLE is like,
Ano?
yung injuries ng TLE is like the opening na to lead.
Yeah, actually, it's always this way every time. When you get to this stage, it becomes a game of attrition. Matira matibay. No, kaya you have a longer rotation, it's an advantage. You have a deeper bench, it's an advantage. Talaga minsan may magbe-breakdown eh. Parang kasama na talaga lahat yun. Sana nga lang pwedeng mag-breakdown yung players mo, pero iba pa rin pag key players mo ang nagbe-breakdown. But yun nga, we prepare for these situations. That's why you try to keep everybody ready to play. Pagka ganitong panahon, doon na nakakatulong yung ganong klaseng preparasyon.
Coach, sabi mo nga na coaches wanted to go for yung finals. Pero iba naisip naman mga players.
Hindi siguro, a win is a win. No? A chance to get to the finals is a chance to get to the finals. Baka, I think we're hungrier than they are. No? Alam natin, nag-ahabol sila ng Grand Slam. Pero, nakadalawang championship na sila. Baka pagod na rin sila. Baka nagsawa na sila. Di ba? Kami naman. Di ba? So, tingnan natin.
Kung performance ko sa mga po, nalimusan yung event, so part later na nalimusan to review. Alam natin ang power si Marlon Pana.
In a sense siguro po, pero lahat naman ng buong team namin, buong organization after that play, lahat sumuporta naman sa akin. So, pinadali din na kalimutan and mag-move on kasi sabi nga nila, series naman to first to four. And yes, so yun, buong suporta naman ng team nandun. So, napadali din naman yung pag-move on.
Coach, gulat ka ba na nasa una ko na si Coach
Parang gusto akong dislodge dun sa title ko. Nanahan pa ako ni Coach Chot Pero malapit-lapit na rin ako May iwas ako, pero tignan natin, sana makaiwas naman ako.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah,
Thank you, Bob. Thank you.